Bonjour, comment allez-vous? This is the Crypto Kid podcast, and today Bitcoin hits 85,000 US dollars. That's right, you heard it, an all-time high of 85,000 US dollars. Also, where is that $20 million that has been overspent on the Kamala Harris campaign? The DNC is at a $20 million deficit and donors are upset. They want to know where was the money spent. We come to find out that Oprah Winfrey received $1 million and we thought it was a free appearance. Can you believe that? She received $1 million. Also on Call Your Daddy, Kamala Harris rebuilt a studio for $600,000 in US dollars instead of just flying to that person. And that's why Joe Rogan was not going to recreate his studio by flying to her. And they would have built another studio to make it look like the Joe Rogan experience at their expense. But Joe Rogan wanted to keep it real and authentic. So Bitcoin has hit 85,000 US dollars. Ethereum is trading at 3,312 US dollars. Meme coins are performing well. Market sentiment is high. The Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell on Thursday cut the prime interest rate by 1/4 point. So that is really improving the market momentum currently into Q4. Christmas holiday sales are rising. So everybody is happy right now. Donald Trump is beginning to make his presidential cabinet appointments. All the momentum is going, but Republicans, let's not lose sight of the fact that we have been worn down by the Democratic propaganda machine, and we need to continue with our agenda, promote our agenda of families, healthy families, um, make America healthy again, working with Elon Musk, Bobby Kennedy, Tulsi Gabbard. Is a great thing that Susie Walls has been named the White House Chief of Staff. So these are some incredible appointments. Now there needs to be a decision on the Senate Majority Leader. And I believe that Rick Scott in Florida is a great choice. The Senate will have to work that out, but we need new leadership. It's time for Mitch McConnell to step aside, and then whoever he would want, which is his protege, Thune. We don't want just a younger version of Mitch McConnell and his agenda. We need to take a new step direction forward. And I believe with Rick Scott from Florida that we can accomplish that. So it's very good. Also, the Democrats need to stop the fear mongering and tone down their language with scaring their constituents and demonizing the other side. Right now, Republicans, we're family oriented people. So we're all thinking about what we're going to do for this coming Thanksgiving this month. And then we're already going out buying Christmas gifts because that's what our focus is. But given that, we can't lose sight that there's some people in the Democratic Party that like this language of we're going to put up a fight. We're ready for the fight. Like, where is this language of non-cooperation? You would think that they're members of a foreign country when they use language like that. So it's very disheartening that the Democrats have taken that stance, but it is their prerogative. And the Democratic leadership have failed to assess itself and realize that that posture and stance is a losing stance. So the voters are letting you know that, and that's how change is going to occur. Change is not going to occur because the voters have made a statement and the Democratic leadership is observing that. What's going to happen is that the Democratic constituents are going to vote out the current Democratic leadership, and that is how change is going to occur. So let that happen. Let those people learn their lessons, take their lumps the way they deserve them. Hey, uh, c'est la vie. So with that, going into this week, we have a lot to be happy about. Donald Trump continues, and it was a landslide victory with more than three. Donald Trump won more than 3 million votes in the popular vote, whereas with Hillary Clinton, it was a difference of 200,000. With Donald Trump, he has won by more than 3,500,000 votes. And then he had a landslide in the electoral college. He's currently at 312. And that was a landslide. So, and we already knew that. Roger Stone already called it out, and he had the insight to see where things were going. And I had repeated this several times. And so for it to occur, it's a great thing. So with that, we will come back tomorrow. We have the market has a lot of momentum, but as I've told you guys, a lot of the market momentum has taken the price of Bitcoin from 80,000 US dollars to above 85,000 US dollars. And be ready for the snapback, the pullback, that once the markets open in Manhattan tomorrow, that many institutional investors, hedge fund investors, will take their profits and push the price of Bitcoin all the way down to below 80,000 US dollars. And then Bitcoin should steadily rise back and rebound once people take their profits. And this is, common behavior when you study the technical market charts. So, head and shoulders, this is typical of markets reaching whatever it is, whether it's a stock or commodity or currency. Once a particular financial instrument reaches a new all-time high, many investors will take that as an opportunity to take a profit. So be aware of that and watch out for that. So with that, this is the Crypto Kid signing out. And remember, the future is crypto.